Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is an exciting video because I'm going to be testing out a new palette that I have been wanting since the brand talked about it. So yeah, I'm sure you guys can probably already tell by the title what I'm doing, but it's exciting for me. The only thing I've done with it is I've only swatched it. I haven't used it or anything, just swatched. I'll show you guys swatches and stuff, but yeah, I'm really excited about it. So today I'm going to be testing out the NORVINA palette by ABH or Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm very excited for this because I love the colors in this palette, and I'm gonna have to do like multiple looks of this because like just these three right here alone are like screaming at me, and I can't put all three on my lids. So I don't know. So it's like you get 14 shades. The first 7 right here are shimmers. I think this one is foiled, but I'm not 100% sure about that. And then the bottom 7 are matte, which I think is a really good setup, and it comes with this little mirror in it. Let me take the sticker off. Ta-da. So yeah, so there's that, and I'm just gonna test it. I think today I'm gonna go in with maybe this purple right here. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, okay. I don't know. Oh my, look at that. Okay, I'm definitely going with this one just because it's like the most, like, I love that. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the shade, oh, it also comes with this little brush, but it fell out right before I started filming, so I just took it out. It comes with this little brush, which is actually a pretty good, decent brush. Like, normally they're really bad and ugly and don't work at all, but this is a pretty good brush. So I'm gonna go in with this one first. I'm gonna scoot you guys in closer, that way you guys can see a little bit better on my eyes. All right, so now that we're up close and personal, I'm gonna go with the first shade right here, which is Base, and I'm gonna show you guys a swatch as I go along. That's the shade Base. And I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. Ooh. So you can see a little bit of fallout, which isn't bad yet. So we'll see if it's anything like, I just got that all over my shirt. We'll see if it's anything like the Subculture palette. So I'm just gonna put this all over, all the way up to my brow bone. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Incense, and I'm going to show you guys a swatch of that. Wow, it's a pretty color. So I'm going to use that same brush, and I'm just going to tap into it. Ooh, okay, so that one's got a little bit more fallout. Nothing too crazy though, not too bad. And I'm just going to put this in my crease. Also, this palette is the Velvet, like all their other palettes. Okay, so this brush is a little rough, just the fluffy side so far. I haven't really tried the other side yet, but the fluffy side is just a little rough and scratchy. A hair fell out on my face. So now I'm gonna go with the shade Eccentric right here. Let's look at it. Ooh, that's pretty. They're all very pigmented. So I'm just going to take that same brush, and you see me dipping in very lightly. Not really a lot of fallout, which is good. I'm also going to keep this on the like outer crease area. Just going to warm it up just a little bit. Now I'm going to take the shade Volatile right here. Just a little bit of it. That one has the most fallout out of the whole palette, but you can tell it's really not even that much. Out of all the shades I've done yet, I shouldn't say the whole palette. So I'm just gonna stamp that right here in the outer corner. If you haven't noticed, I use like one brush for everything. And I probably shouldn't, but I don't care. It works for me. I'm going to take whatever's left on the brush and just drag it to the crease. Just kind of blend it out. Alright, now I'm gonna take the shade Love right here. Ooh, that's a creamy shade, okay. Ooh, that's a pretty shade. Look at that. Okay, let me stop freaking out over this. I'm gonna change brushes. And I'm gonna use this pointier brush, and I'm just gonna go with Love just to bring out the pink in the rose gold shade. And I'm gonna put it right here in the middle of my crease. Alright, so it turned out just a little bit more purple than I was expecting. So I'm gonna take that shade Base again and just gonna run it over to kind of lighten it up. Kind of came out more purpley. Did it swatch purple? Not really. Maybe it's just mixed with all the browns. It just was like, alright, you're getting purple. Sorry. It's a little better. Alright, so now I'm going to take my finger for that rose gold shade. Just because I didn't bring a packing brush, I'm just going to take my finger and I'm going to put that all over the lid. Oh, it's so pretty. And it's such a pretty color. I meant to put a setting powder up under there to catch any fallout. That's okay. It does have some fallout to it, so just keep that in mind. A way to help with that is to use a packing brush and wet the brush. Use a packing brush and wet the brush to do all that with it to keep it from falling out as bad. But yeah, so I really want to incorporate this purple shade right here, but if I do, I'm literally gonna look like a weirdo because I have pink. Oh well, I'm just gonna take it, just a little bit of it on this little C brush thing. I'm just gonna run it under the lid. It's not bad. It's a really pretty color though. Look how it's swatched. Alright, so that looks really pretty. I think I'm going to also take this little airbrush crease brush from It Cosmetics, and I'm gonna take that shade Love, and I'm also gonna put it, just to kind of tie it all together because I know the purple was kind of like random. Alright, so now I'm going to take the shade Dreamer right here. I need a clean finger to show you guys swatch. And I'm just going to put that right in the inner corner. Wow. This palette is like amazing. I think that's it. The colors I used were Base, Soul, Incense, Love, Volatile, Eccentric, and I used Rose Gold and Dreamer. The only ones I didn't use were Passion, Drama, Dazzling, Celestial, Wild Child, and Summer. But what I want to do is I want to take that Summer shade and see if I can use it as a highlight. Ooh, that's a pretty, if you don't take a lot of it, it's a pretty like blinding but natural. Like it just melts right into the skin. Alright, so you can use this palette for pretty much anything. I recommend it. It is $42. It's by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So yeah. It's a really good palette. You can use the shade Summer or Dreamer as a highlight. You could probably use this one, but that's too dark for me, so I wasn't even gonna try it. I'm gonna mix it with some Dreamer. Ooh, look how much I picked up. Let me just do a little bit. I'm only wearing a powder foundation right now. I'm using the Bare Minerals powder foundation today. After I do like the rest of my face for it, it's not that bad. I'm gonna zoom you guys out. After I set it, everything, it's pretty good. I like it. I don't have anything against it. It's really good foundation if you're looking for one. And that is the Bare Minerals powder foundation. If you're wondering, I'm in the shade medium right now, just because it's summertime. I'm just putting the shade Dreamer like everywhere because it's so pretty. So if you're wanting something that you can use for everything, you can get this palette and you have at least 2 highlights right there. You might even have a blush if you're into that like shade of blush. I'm not. So I'm just gonna put some lip gloss on right now. So I'm using the e.l.f. lip lacquer in the shade Natural. Alright, so I used the shade Natural, and it looked a little light for me right now because I do have like a little bit of a tan from summer. So I just put a little bit of incense on like the outer corners, and then I put Dreamer right in the middle. I think it turned out really good. I didn't put any mascara on or anything just because I didn't put any mascara or anything just because I wanted you guys to see like the look. I do really like this palette. I definitely recommend it. It is really pigmented and really good, and you get a brush out of it. I didn't even use the other side of this brush. This side was a little rough. I'm probably gonna get makeup all over my cheek, but that's okay. This side's a little rough, but it is still a good brush. Strange without it. Now I'm just gonna wipe the eyeshadow just all over my cheek. So yeah, that's my final look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys next time. I usually upload 2 to 3 times a week, so be sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below what you guys want to see next, and let me know if you're gonna go get this palette or not. It is at Ulta now, and it's online. I got mine from the Ulta store. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I definitely want to play around with some more of these colors, like some of these bright shimmers right here. I definitely want to play around with. This gold is just like the most beautiful gold, like rose gold thing I've ever seen in my life. It was so pretty. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.